Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to be invisible on eHarmony's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To be invisible on eHarmony's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box, type in eharmony.com and make a search. The official page of eHarmony will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of eHarmony's account. From the home page, click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the displayed options, click on Data and Settings. Scroll all the way down to Profile Visibility section. Now all you need to do is slide the slider to the left side to turn it off. This is how you can be invisible on eHarmony's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.